Hey folks, I'm sitting here beside the highway and I'm waiting on my hunting buddy to get here. A lifelong hunting friend and cousin of mine, Travis, he's coming, and I'm gonna get in a truck with him when he gets here, and I'm sitting here on go just ready to get it. I'm just running the camera for him tonight, but when he gets here I'm gonna jump in the truck and we're going to his spot right here. I'm sitting here at the entrance and we're gonna go in and get in his ground blind. And anything goes tonight. He's hunting with a, there goes the car right there, but he's hunting with a 300 Win Mag and the hogs, deer, kind of anything goes tonight. So I think it's going to be a really good hunt, and that's him pulling in right now. So things could get real good real quick. We're about to get in this blind. Got in here to the blind and the wind's blowing it over, so Travis is getting it set up quietly as we can. And we're gonna get in here and kind of show you what we're looking at here. Alright, we got two big guys. We got two big guys in this little blind. And we perched up like some Ninja Cobra Commandos up here. And we like the situation.
Perched up like sardines in a can.
If it's brown, it's down tonight. This is a meat hunt. So we got Travis over here on the 300 mag. So stay with us. I think things are going to get real good real quick. Travis just got a glimpse of a deer moving back over here on a tree line. I didn't see it. I was busy playing with my phone and my camera apparatuses. They're over there. There's two over there on that tree line. Okay, I'm good. There's three. Get ready.
We just got a good mature doe. Could tell I got in her right shoulder. Gonna be a little tracking job on her though, I think. Might sit here and see if a pig comes out here in just a second. We're gonna see if we can find this deer without getting ate by pigs. We can hear them grunting. We'll see what we can find. Here's the blood right here. She, when she came in this patch of woods, it's the first blood we came across. It's good blood coming off the side here. More good blood right here. There she is up around that tree.
You see her?
Yeah.
Just thank God that we got to get out in this beautiful evening hunt here. It was just a prettiest evening. The wind wasn't blowing, and We actually had some hogs come in right after our hunt there, right after we shot the doe, and it was after shooting light. We could hear it. There's a real big hog around here, so we're kind of on guard, looking around, make sure them hogs don't come. But anyway, yeah, thank God for a beautiful evening, and I'm gonna take y'all into earlier in the season. My buddy Derek killed 2 nice bucks. He killed 2 of them with archery equipment. So I'm gonna take y'all to that now and check this out. It's just a recovery, but check this out.
All right, well, here they are side by side. Oh, 2 really nice bucks. I think the old fat boy here, he's about twice the size. So I named these bucks. You got Leroy here and Elroy here. I didn't think I'd take them both this year, but you know, come in, got them a little swapped up, and ended up taking them both. So got them tagged Elroy at 7:10, and I got Leroy about 11 minutes later. But man, it's a rush. You know, when you're shooting from a bow, I've done mostly rifle hunting when I started out, and taking a bow in the woods and getting 2 bucks like this back to back, there's nothing better in the world. So just a blessing to be able to come out and hunt and do all that. And so now I got to figure out what I'm going to do with Leroy and Elroy, if I'm going to put them on the wall, or if I'm just going to do a nice little Euro mount with them side by side. So I think this might be the end of the season for me.